Do you want to add music on Facebook profile? You can put the song on your Facebook profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add music to your Facebook profile, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the top left to go to your profile. Now, you are on your Facebook profile page. Below the profile picture and bio, tap on the Edit Profile button. Now a new screen appears. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Edit Your About Info button. A new page appears. Scroll down a bit until you see the music option and tap on Add Music. On the music screen, tap on the plus symbol icon at the top right corner. Now, a new screen appears with a search bar and a list of songs. Use the search bar to find a song you want to add to your profile. Once you find your desired song, tap on the music name to select it. The selected song will now be added to your profile under the music section. Now, to add this music to your profile bio, tap on the music name under the music section. To show it at the top of your profile, tap on the three dots next to the song. A pop-up menu appears. From here, select Pin to Profile. Now, anyone who visits your profile will be able to see and listen to the music you added.